Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you minimal makeup look by just using 5 products. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Highlighting Primer. I'm totally in love with this primer because it's very affordable and it brings natural shine on your face. So if you're wearing a deep neck top like me, then please apply it in your neck as well. It will definitely look good and you can see the shine which is coming and it's looking natural. The best part is that. And yeah, after applying it properly, I'll show you that how it looks like, a close-up kind of thing I'll show you. So as you can see, it's looking very natural on my skin. And the second step is concealer. I'm a person who doesn't likes to apply foundation on daily basis, so I'm mixing 2 concealer for my perfect shade. My perfect shade was not available in the shop, so I bought 2 shades. Yeah, and this is really a perfect match for me, and I'll show you the full coverage. So I'm applying it in the problematic areas and blending it all over my skin, and I'll get a very good finish in the end. As you can see, I'm totally in love with this Inside Cosmetics ka concealer because it's very affordable and good quality as well. As you can see, it has provided such a good amount of coverage to me. I'm really happy by the result. And then I'm going to use Fitme's compact powder because it has really good coverage and it is very affordable. All the products which I've used, I'll link it down in the description box, and these products are really very affordable. And then guys, I'm going to use Swiss Beauty's Craze Lip and Cheek Tint, but I also use it in my eyes. I'm going to use a lipstick in my lips instead for this look, but you can also use it in your lips and skip the mascara portion because that is additional, and this provides very good coverage. I love the coverage of this product. As you can see, it's so beautiful. It's blending smoothly and it gives you natural shine as well, and I really love natural shine kind of products. And yeah, after this I'm going to apply it in my eyes as well. So it's a 3-in-1 product for me, and after this I'm going to apply mascara because I have literally no eyelashes. It's not at all visible, and this mascara is by the brand Blue Heaven. It is also very affordable, and I'll show you the difference also. You can skip this part. This is the additional thing which I'm doing. And guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm a newbie and I have not created this kind of videos before, so if I made any mistakes, then please forgive me, and you can see the difference. So lastly, I'm going to apply lipsticks. I have 2 options. One is the bright one and one is the nude one. So the bright one is basically by the brand Blue Heaven and it's in red color, rocky kind of red, and that's very affordable. And the nude ones are Lakme and LA18. So I'm going to mix these both nudes and apply it. So I'm filling my inner corners with the LA18 ones. LA18 ones are affordable, but the Lakme one is kind of costly, like in case of lipsticks. And I'm going to leave the center portion empty and apply the Lakme one inside it. I'll mention this shade and everything in the description box, so check it out. So if you want, you can also follow me on Instagram. I post regular content on Instagram regarding how to collaborate with brands and makeup contents and skincare ones as well, so you can definitely follow me. I'll mention my ID somewhere in the screen and link it down in the description box below. And then I'm going to fill in with the Lakme one inside the center, like in the center. Oh my god, what kind of English I'm speaking, I don't know. I really get nervous while recording. Anyways, just don't mind me making faces. I always end up making faces while doing makeup. It's just not in front of the camera, but it's reality and I'm like this. I know many kind of people do that as well. Please excuse my English, I'm nervous. And yeah guys, the look is finally completed. And then I'm gonna open my hairs and comb it probably. And I'm speaking to my bhabhi like throughout the video. We were having a fun chit chat, and I'm using the Matrix serum, and it's not a part of the video, but I'm just showing you guys. It gives like a natural shine to my hair as well. You can also use like normal oil in your hairs, like little bit. If you're using oil, use it little bit, or you can use the live-on serum. It's really affordable. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel, comment below the best part, and do follow me on Instagram as well. Like this video and share it with your friends. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.